Take 4 tablespoons of this every morning and say goodbye to clogged arteries, high blood pressure, and bad cholesterol. The regular consumption of this powerful drink will help you to unclog your arteries, treat the bad cholesterol, and reduce high blood pressure. Today, numerous people suffer from high cholesterol levels. The most common reasons are the fast lifestyles, stress, and improper care for our health. If your cholesterol is more than 460 to 620 mmol/L, then you might experience some serious health issues. Here is the amazing recipe, which will unclog your arteries and reduce your high blood pressure. Ingredients: 1 kilogram lemons, 12 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 5 or 6 bunches of parsley, 300 grams. Preparation: at first, you should wash the lemons in cold water. Then, in warm water, add the already chopped lemons and put 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Let it sit for an hour. Chop the parsley and add it into the mixture, then cook it for another 2 to 3 hours on low heat. Once your drink is ready, put it into a glass container and keep it in the fridge. Drink 4 tablespoons of the syrup every morning on an empty stomach. With this amount, you should be sufficient for a 20-day administration. The treatment will provide amazing benefits for your health, therefore do not hesitate to try it.